Hi, my name is Johanna. Welcome to Mystical Akashic Tarot. Let's find out what your angel number for today is. What is your angel number for today? Angels, saints, thank you. 1551. Hold your vision. Focus on the good and maintain your concentration on the outcomes you desire. It's time to put your faith and time into your ideas and pursue your goals with all your might. You have such a beautiful, courageous, and brave spirit. Words you need to be aware of: manifestation, abundance, money, dreams, visions, and prosperity. Remember, feel it, dream it, feel it, see yourself living in what you want. I hope you like my reading. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.